In the realm of project management software, ClickUp stands out as a highly adaptable platform, offering a multitude of features to organize and streamline team efforts. One of the fundamental building blocks within ClickUp's architecture is the concept of a workspace. For those new to the platform or evaluating its capabilities, a common question arises. How many workspaces can you have in ClickUp? Understanding the structure and limitations surrounding workspaces is crucial for effectively setting up your ClickUp environment and ensuring optimal organization. Essentially, a ClickUp workspace serves as a top-level container for all your projects, teams, and data. It's the central hub where your organization or a distinct part of it collaborates and manages its work. The answer to the question of how many workspaces you can have isn't a fixed number applicable to everyone. Instead, it's tied to your ClickUp plan. ClickUp offers various subscription tiers, each with its own set of features and limitations, including the number of workspaces allowed. For users on ClickUp's free plan, the platform typically allows for one workspace. This single workspace is designed to accommodate individuals or small teams just getting started with project management. Within this free workspace, you can explore many of ClickUp's core features, organize tasks, and collaborate with a limited number of members. It's an excellent way to experience the platform's capabilities firsthand and determine if it aligns with your needs. As your team grows and your organizational needs become more complex, you might consider upgrading to one of ClickUp's paid plans. These plans, such as the Unlimited, Business, Business Plus, and Enterprise plans, offer a significant increase in features and often include the ability to create multiple workspaces. The Unlimited plan typically allows for an unlimited number of workspaces. This provides a significant advantage for growing businesses or teams that need to segment their work based on departments, clients, or specific projects with distinct sets of members and data. For example, a marketing agency might create separate workspaces for each of its major clients to maintain data privacy and streamlined communication within each client team. Similarly, the Business Plan and Business Plus plan also usually offer the flexibility of having unlimited workspaces. This caters to organizations with more intricate workflows and the need for advanced features like workload management and advanced automation, often necessitating the separation of work into distinct digital environments. For larger organizations with stringent security and compliance requirements, the Enterprise plan provides the most comprehensive set of features and often includes unlimited workspaces as well as dedicated support and tailored solutions. This allows large-scale deployments of ClickUp across different departments or subsidiaries, each operating within its own isolated workspace while still potentially being linked at a higher organizational level. It's important to note that while the paid plans generally offer unlimited workspaces, the practical need for numerous separate workspaces should be carefully considered. While segmentation can be beneficial, having too many workspaces can sometimes lead to fragmentation and make it harder to get a holistic overview of the organization's overall progress. When might you consider using multiple workspaces? Different companies or clients? If you are an agency managing projects for multiple distinct clients, separate workspaces can ensure data privacy and tailored access for each client's team. Distinct departments. Large organizations might create separate workspaces for different departments, e.g., marketing, sales, development, HR, to allow each department to manage its projects and workflows independently. Sensitive information. If certain projects involve highly sensitive information that should only be accessible to a specific group of individuals, a separate workspace can provide an added layer of security. Completely different workflows. If different parts of your organization operate with entirely different processes and require unique sets of custom fields, statuses, and automation, separate workspaces can provide a more tailored environment. However, it's also crucial to consider the potential downsides of having too many workspaces. Information silos. Separate workspaces can inadvertently create information silos, making it harder for different teams or departments to collaborate or share insights. Increased administrative overhead. Managing multiple workspaces can increase administrative overhead, such as managing users, permissions, and settings across different environments. Difficulty in getting a bird's-eye view. Gaining a comprehensive overview of the entire organization's progress can become challenging when work is spread across numerous isolated workspaces. Therefore, before creating multiple workspaces, it's essential to carefully evaluate your organizational structure, collaboration needs, and data security requirements. In many cases, effectively utilizing ClickUp's features within a single workspace, such as spaces, folders, and lists, can provide sufficient organization and segmentation without the complexities of managing multiple top-level containers. In summary, the number of workspaces you can have in ClickUp depends on your chosen subscription plan. The free plan typically offers one workspace, while the paid plans, Unlimited, Business, Business Plus, and Enterprise, generally provide the flexibility of unlimited workspaces. While this offers significant scalability, it's crucial to strategically consider when and why multiple workspaces are truly necessary to ensure efficient collaboration and avoid unnecessary fragmentation of your project management efforts. Choosing the right number of workspaces is a key step in setting up a ClickUp environment that empowers your team to work effectively and achieve your organizational goals.